Morning, guys! Alrighty, it's Thursday. Are you ready to start your day today? Awesome! Okay, today we're gonna get our arms and legs warmed up here, singing this nice song, Blue Skies. All right, first of all, we're gonna be the sun coming up over the mountains, shining your little rays all around. Blue skies, smiling at me. Be the wind. Shh, nothing but blue skies. Do I see? All right, now spin around. We're gonna be birds. Blue birds singing their song. Can you fly a little faster? Nothing but blue birds all day long. Nice. All right, now we're gonna look this way. Never saw the sun shining so bright. Other way. Never saw things going so right. Noticing the days, write in your journal, hurrying by. When you're in love, my how they fly. Can you flap your wings again? Blue days, all of them gone. And spin around. Nothing but blue skies from now on. Very nice, guys. Wow, that was awesome. Okay, arms and legs warmed up. Now it's time to warm up our voices. Let me get my ukulele. Okay, today I'm gonna sing that song about the Rockin' Robin. And when I say the word Rockin' Robin, you should say the word tweet, tweet, tweet. Okay, ready? Let's try it. All right. He rocks in the treetops all day long, rocking and a-rollin' and a-singing a song. All the little birds on Jaybird Street love to hear the robin go tweet, 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 rockin' robin. Your turn. Tweet, 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 rockin' robin. Tweet, tweet-a-tweet. Go rockin' robin, 'cause you're really gonna rock it tonight. Tweet, tweet. All right, very nice. I heard that tweeting, singing. That was very good. All right, now it's adventure time. Are you guys ready for adventure time? All right, today for adventure time, we're gonna go bird watching. It's really fun. Now it helps if you've got bird binoculars, but if you don't, I'll show you how to make some real quick. All right, so first what you're gonna do, take half a piece of paper like this and roll it up, just in a nice little roll, and staple it together. So now do the same thing with the other half of the piece of paper, and then just put them together with a staple too. And there you go, you've got your binoculars. Okay, and then if you have a bird watching hat, that's helpful too. Okay, you ready? Let's go find some birds, come on. When you're trying to spot birds, you'll see them in trees. So I'm gonna look in trees here. They're all over. Sometimes they're hard to see, but you can hear them really well. Oh, let's look over here. Wow. Let's keep searching, come on. Oh, let's look in this tree over here. Oh, one just landed, you see it? Oh, he just flew off. Bye, little birdie. Let's keep looking. Oh, there's one. Oh, look up there. Whoa, there's a bunch of birds just flew by. I think I hear something. Is that a woodpecker? Let me look. Oh, it is, I think. Look at that little guy. He's pecking at the tree there. That's very neat. Hey, what is that over there? It's the bird telephone. Let me answer it. It's ringing. Ring, 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 ring. Hello? Oh, really? No way. We'll be right over. That was my brother, and he just said there's a baby bird nest in our garage. Let's go look at it. Come on. Shh. Oh my goodness. There's 3 baby birds up here. They're so cute. They look kind of hungry though. I think I see the mama bird. She's gonna come in. Let's give them a little room. Those baby birds were so cute. Hey, let's go to the barn for journal time and draw pictures of them. Come on. All right, guys. Wow, those birds were so neat. Did you see any birds? If you did, take a picture and send it to me. I want to see what types of birds you saw. All right, well, you know what? It's journal time. All right, one of my favorite parts. Go ahead and grab your journal and grab some markers, and let's get going. Okay, for journal time today, we need to write down what day it is today. What date is it today? Do you know? Oh, wait, it's Thursday, right? Okay, Thursday. I'm going to use my red marker and write down the word Thursday. It's spelled like this, Thursday. Thursday, nice. All right, Thursday starts with the letters TH. What else starts with the letter TH? Thursday. What about thumb? Let's draw a picture of a thumb. All right, I'm gonna draw, let's see if I can draw my thumb. I'm gonna draw my fingers. There we go. These fingers right here. And then my thumb sticking out above my fingers. And then the rest of my hand and my wrist. There's our thumb for Thursday. Nice. Okay, now we need to put down what the weather is like. Remember, that's what it's like outside. Well, today, it was kind of cloudy and sunny at the same time. So I'm going to draw a picture of a sun peeking out behind some clouds. So here's my first cloud. Here's my second cloud. I'm going to make it a big cloud. And then here's my sun peeking out behind it with little rays. There we go. Nice. Weather, check. Now the temperature. That's if it's hot or cold outside. Well, today, it's actually not too hot and it's not too cold. It's pretty nice. So I'm going to take my sticker. I'm going to put it in the green zone right there. All right, temperature, check. Nice. Now we need to draw pictures of what we did today. Okay, let's think. What did we do? We got warmed up with our arms and legs and we pretended to be the sun peeking over the mountains. All right, I'm going to grab my purple marker. I'm going to draw two tall mountains and a sun peeking out. So it's just a little arc with lots of rays coming out from that sun. Nice. Then we sang that song about the rockin' robin, right? And you helped me sing it. All right, grab your red marker for this one. Okay, let's first draw the robin's head. So I'm going to draw a round circle for his head and then two beaks, or one beak, but a top and a bottom to the beak. And then I'm going to give him some sunglasses because he's really cool. Okay, some little hair at the top. Then he's going to have a wing that's coming all the way down. It's making a swoop. Give him some feathers at the end of the wing. And we're going to draw a guitar that he's playing. Ooh, this is a crazy rockin' robin. Nice. Let's draw the rest of the guitar, the tall part. And then his other wing is going to be playing the guitar. And then let's give him some legs. All right. There's the rockin' robin. You can even add a little music note if you want to. All right, nice, rockin' robin, check. And then we went bird watching and we saw a lot of really cool birds. There was a bird woodpecker and then there was a bird on a wire and then we saw the baby birds. I'm gonna draw a picture of the baby birds. Let's see, I'm gonna use my blue marker for this. I'm gonna draw the bird nest first, just a bunch of twigs on top of each other. And then I'm going to draw 3 little baby birds in there with their little beaks. And then, let's see, maybe their mama bird. There we go. Baby birds done. Nice job, guys. We filled out our journal. High five. And remember, keep filling out your journal all day long. If there's anything that happens to you that makes you really happy that you want to remember, put it in your journal and then read it to your mom and dad at the end of the day. Okay, well, I think it's about time to go. Oh, but wait, it's riddle time. All right, did you guess the answer from yesterday's riddle? I said, what has long ears and likes to eat carrots and hops really fast? The answer is a rabbit, a bunny rabbit. Okay, now what should I do for today's riddle? Wait a second. It's Miss Chicken. Hi, Miss Chicken. How are you doing today? I'm good. I'd like to say the riddle for today. Oh, Miss Chicken wants to tell you the riddle. Okay. What's the riddle, Miss Chicken? All right. What has a red thing on the top of their head and likes to lay eggs and says, bark, bark, bark. Do you guys know the answer to that? I think I know. All right, well, that's a good riddle, Miss Chicken. Can you tell them the answer tomorrow? Yes, I can. Okay, tell us what you think it is, and we'll tell you the answer tomorrow. All right, well, you know, it really finally is time to say goodbye. Keep filling out your journals and keep sending me pictures of them. They look really good. And keep shining your sunshine around the world. All right, here's a goodbye song. Can you sing with me? You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. Sounds nice. Let's do it again. Ready? You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. Okay, I'll see you guys next time.